So fancy a craft-along using these wonderful P13 products. The craft-along will take place on our Facebook Live on Friday the 25th of March at 1 o'clock. All these items you see here are from P13, a Polish company. Everything is available separately on our website. There are stickers, there are chipboard stickers, these beautiful little light chipboard embellishments, as well as coordinating ephemera tickets. You also have the bits and pieces along with the decorative tags, and also this amazing light chipboard base that we can decorate. Now this can be used as a scrapbook layout, it can be used as a book, and we'll be using it as a standalone feature. This collection from P13 is called Let Your Creativity Bloom, and for this project we'll be using 3 sheets of their 12 by 12 paper. This one with all the elements we can cut apart. We shall also be using this beautiful sheet with these corner flourishes and a nice simple pattern on the back, as well as this sheet which has all these wonderful cut aparts in beautiful soft colours with a simple pattern on the back. We'll only use a few of these panels. This particular sheet will pretty much use all of it, and we'll be using quite a few elements from this sheet. So this will be the actual base of our project. This beautiful flourish is very delicate. We'll be just giving it a coating of white gesso or white paint. And then all our ephemera, our tags and the photo itself will be mounted on top of this to create our project. We have put together a special Craftalong kit where you will get one of everything that will be used in the Craftalong, as well as this, which is the instruction sheet. It just shows simple instructions on how to do this Craftalong. So this shows a variation where instead of using a portrait photo, you can use landscape. You don't even have to put a photo in, just a photo mat, but just make sure you don't stick down those embellishments that are overlapping so that you can still slide your photo in underneath. And thanks to Brenda from Stamplicity in Canada for sharing this wonderful layout with me that she created. And don't worry if you can't join us live on Friday for the Craftalong itself, as well as being in my Facebook feed. This Craftalong will also be transferred onto a video clip on YouTube, so you can watch it any time. And the Craftalong kits can be purchased at any time, so that you can do this at your own pace at a time convenient to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the contact information given below. Thank you.